Hello guys, so today we're doing question 49 of LeetCode, which is group anagrams. The question is, given an array of strings, group the anagrams together, you can return the answer in any order. Example 1, input strs strings is equal to an array of strings eat, tea, tan, ate, nat, and bat. The output should be an array of arrays, the first array containing bat, second array containing nat and tan, third array containing ate, eat, tea. The explanation is there is no strings in strs that can be rearranged to form bat. The strings nat and tan are anagrams as they can be rearranged to form each other. The strings ate, eat, and tea are anagrams as they can be rearranged to form each other. Okay, example 2. Strings is empty string, so you output an array of an empty string. Example 3, strings is an array of A. Output is an array within an array of A. Okay, so pretty much we have to get each anagram and separate it from the rest and return them together in their own array. So the way we're going to do this is we're going to create a map, loop through the array of strings, sort out the current string, set it as a key for the map, and set the normal string as the value. And every time we loop through the array, we sort the string, and if it already exists in the map, then we add it to the value of that key, which is sorted. Otherwise, we create a new key, which is the sorted array, which is the sorted string, and add the normal string as a value. For example, let's go here. Let's say the array is of strings, string, trousers, and cat. I don't know, just random strings. Okay, now we create a map here, then we loop through the array. So let's say I 0, so we get this value here. Now we sort it. By sorting it, we pretty much sort it by order, alphabetical order. Let's go forward. So it will be RST, sorted value, RST. So is that in map? No. So we set it in map as a key, and then we add as an array the current letter, which is current value, which is string. Okay. Then we set as a key. Oh no, that is the key. Yeah, the key. Then we continue to the next I, which is 1. So now we are here. Again, TRS sorted is again RST. So that is in map. So we add it as an anagram here. TRS. Let's close that array for now. Go to the next one. I is 2. Cat. So we sort it. Sorted string is ACT. Now, is that a map? No. So we create a new key of ACT with value of cat. And now we finish the for loop because there's no more items left. And we have to return the the values of the map. When we do this, we should use the array object, get array from map.values, and this will return this and this separated by the array in an array. So let's do the code. So first we create a map. So let map is equal to new map. Then we loop through the array. So we can do let string of strings. Then if we get a sorted value. So let sorted is equal to string. Then we split each character, we sort it, and we join it back to make a string. Then if the map has sorted value, it means we have found an anagram. So we get sorted value and we push the current value. We get the sorted key and push the current string as a value. So string. Else we set a new key in map, which will be the sorted value, with an array of current string. Okay, and then we have to return the values of the map. So we return set array from the map dot values, and that should pass. Perfect. Let's submit. As you can see, this is one of the fastest options and solutions. This is a time complexity of on, as you only loop through the array. And actually, I believe it's on squared because the sort has to loop through the string to order it, so it's on squared. And the space complexity of on, as we only store the map, which is the array. Thanks for watching.